person you'll become 1 year from now, that version of you isn't a mystery waiting to happen. It is being created today, not next month when you think you'll have more time, not next year when you hope to have more motivation. Today. And the truth is, your future is being shaped by things so small. Most people never notice them until they've already become permanent. Every tiny choice, every quiet thought, every small action, they are the seeds of your future self, and they're being planted right now. For a long time, I lived my life waiting for the lightning strike. I believed major life changes only came from major, earth-shaking decisions. A new job across the country, a sudden, massive opportunity, a big breakthrough that changes everything in an instant, a life-changing moment. And while those moments certainly matter, I've learned something much more important through the years of building POP. Most transformation doesn't happen in those giant, flashy moments. It happens in the small, quiet moments that fill our days. The moments nobody sees, the moments nobody applauds or likes on social media, the invisible building blocks of a life. It's the habits, the routines, the decisions you make when nobody is watching and there's no immediate reward. That is where the real work happens. The life I have today wasn't built in a single day or a single decision. It was built one habit at a time, layer by layer, over years of consistency. Both the good habits that lifted me up and the bad ones that held me back, they all counted. They all mattered. Every habit is a vote. Every decision is a vote. Every action is a vote for the person you want to become. You're constantly voting for your identity. Think about that. When you choose to exercise, you're casting a vote for a healthier, more energetic version of you. When you choose to learn something new, you're casting a vote for a wiser, more capable future. You are building that person with every page turned. When you choose discipline over comfort, you're casting a vote for a stronger, more resilient future. And the opposite is true too. Every time we choose ease, every excuse, every delay, every decision to avoid responsibility, those are votes too. They are votes for a version of you that stays where it is. The future doesn't arrive randomly. It's built through repetition, and repetition becomes identity. This is the foundation of everything we do. One of the biggest mistakes I made early on was underestimating the power of small actions. I genuinely thought small actions didn't matter in the grand scheme. I thought missing one workout didn't matter. I thought skipping one small opportunity didn't matter. I thought delaying just one decision wouldn't hurt. But eventually I realized the hard way. Life isn't built through one single heroic decision. Life is built through thousands of tiny, unremarkable decisions. Tiny decisions, daily decisions, repeated decisions. These are the threads that weave the fabric of your character, and those decisions eventually become habits. The habits become your lifestyle, and your lifestyle becomes your future. The future I wanted wasn't hiding in a breakthrough. It was hiding in my daily habits. This is why progress is one of the 4 pillars of POP, because real progress isn't dramatic. Progress isn't flashy or loud. It's often very quiet. Progress is often boring. Progress is often invisible to the outside world. But progress compounds, just like interest in a bank account. Small improvements repeated over time eventually become extraordinary results. That's the power of progress. And that's why your smallest habits matter so much. So today, I want to challenge you to do something simple but profound. Take a hard look at your daily habits, not your goals, not your dreams, your actual habits. Ask yourself, if I keep doing this for the next year, where will it lead me? Because that's the real question. Not where you want to go, but where you're heading. Where your habits are taking you is your destiny. And if you don't like the answer, you have the power to change one habit. Just one. Start there. Today. Your future isn't being created someday in the distance. It's being created right now in the choices you make, the habits you repeat, the actions you take, and the responsibility you're willing to embrace. This is POP. Positivity, ownership, progress, purpose. This is how we rebuild our identities. And remember, the future version of you is watching. Make choices that person will thank you for. I'm rooting for you. Stay positive, stay accountable. If you're ready to build a better future one habit at a time, subscribe and join the POP journey, because small actions create extraordinary lives. See you in the next one.